Hi my beauties, welcome to my channel. In today's video I am going to do a flawless papaya facial at home. In winters my skin has become very dry lately and I have got some whiteheads around my nose and my chin area. Also there is some tanning to my forehead. So I am going to do a facial to get a glowing, clear and even skin. I am using Nature's Essence Flawless Papaya Facial, which is a 4-step facial and it also contains a detan peel off mask. The outer packaging is quite informative, like you get all the details on the packaging itself. At front you can see all the steps which is included in this facial kit, and this facial kit is a 3-use pack, which means the quantity which comes in this kit can be used 3 times. At back side of the packaging you can see all the steps are elaborated in detail, like what step you need to do for how long, and also you get a pro tip. Benefits of every step is also elaborated here. And if you want to know the ingredients which has been used in this kit, you will get at the back of the packaging. So without any delay, let's start the facial. I am opening a brand new kit here and I'll show you the inner packaging as well. It comes in small tubes which makes it very travel friendly and easy to carry. Usually we all are confused while doing facial at home, like which step we need to do first. So this kit solves that problem also. Every tube comes with a number which needs to be followed while doing the facial. First we need to prepare our skin for the facial, for which Nature's has provided a free detan therapy wipe off mask with this kit. I'm going to apply using a flat brush. You can use your fingers if you want. Take a generous amount of the product, apply it properly to your face and neck area. Leave it for 15 minutes, then wash it off using normal water. It's been 15 minutes now. I'll wipe it off and come back. First step of this facial is cleanser. I'm taking a generous amount and applying it to my face. Then I have to massage it for 5 minutes. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, consider subscribing and hit the bell notification as well to get future updates. I create videos on makeup, beauty, skincare and fashion. Do not forget to follow me on Instagram and other socials. My social links you'll get in the description box itself, so don't forget to check it. While massaging, the direction of massage is very important. I always suggest to relax while massaging your skin. You need to enjoy and relax at this moment and focus on the areas which needs more attention on your face. It's been years now I've been using Nature's products. They are super duper affordable and very good and gentle on the skin. I would highly recommend to explore their skincare range and try out some products on your skin if they suits you or not. Trust me, you're gonna love them. I can clearly see that my skin is feeling really happy after this massage. Second step is Flawless Papaya Scrub. For the scrub I am using this small face massager which I have got from Amazon. This is a really amazing product for exfoliating. I am directly putting the scrub on this massager and applying it on my face. Scrub is really mild and gentle on skin. While scrubbing or exfoliating, focus on the areas wherever you have black or white heads or you have any dead skin. Scrub your face for 5 minutes, then wash it off with normal water. If you have acne prone skin, then scrubbing for longer time is not advisable at all. You need to be gentle on your face while scrubbing. Exfoliate your face for 2 to 3 minutes only. Third step is Flawless Papaya Massage Cream. Take a generous amount of the massage cream and then massage it for 15 minutes. I'm trying their pro tip here. I'm rubbing my hands for a while to make them warm. In facial, timing and the way of doing it is really important. So you need to do it properly with every step. Nature's is a really good brand in skincare. All the products that they have are natural and gentle on skin. That's what I love the most about Nature's. And the last step is Flawless Papaya Pack. I'm applying it to my face and neck area using a flat brush. You need to take a proper amount to cover your skin. Once done, leave it for 5 minutes and then wash it off with normal water. All the details about this facial and the brand you will get in the description box. I'll drop the purchase link as well, so don't forget to check it. It's been 5 minutes now. I'll wash it and come back. For the final step, I'm applying moisturizer on my face from Cosmos by Bewoof. Wow, look at my face. It's visibly brighter, clearer and glowing after the facial. My skin is feeling really fresh, happy and hydrated from inside as well. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Also share your thoughts about this brand and the product in comment section. I love you guys so much and I'll see you with a brand new one. Till then, stay safe and stay healthy. Bye.